Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Scorpio for the month of November 2020. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of November. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Scorpions. So this is your energy of the month. That is Four of Swords reversed. I think you have been on a journey. It could be physically, it could be emotionally or mentally. And you had thought that this place is going to give me happiness, satisfaction. But unfortunately, that did not happen. And now you plan to return back. Maybe you had gone to some place with your partner and you had thought that you will get lot of success benefits, but unfortunately that did not happen, and now you want to come back to the safe place. It could be your home. Maybe you want to go back to your hometown this month. Moving towards the first week, the cards are Ace of Wands, Judgment reversed, and Page of Swords reversed. This shows that there is a new beginning. You are quite excited. You have emotions. You have that zeal. You are pretty active. But you have to be careful, as whatever you start should be for the benefit of others as well. Like your family's benefits, your own benefits should be included. Just not think about one particular person. Think about the whole family and then take the decision. Do take the advice from other people also before taking any particular decision. The week is really good. You will get new ideas, you will get new opportunities, and you have to take it because they are going to be very, very beneficial for future. But it should have the consent of other family members as well. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week says Seven of Cups, Queen of Cups reversed, and Four of Pentacles. So this is showing me that somewhat you are concerned about your finances. You have been waiting to do something, but you're not able to start that. Emotionally, you feel little drained out. You might also have feeling that I had thought something to be like this, but it is not exactly what I had thought it to be. For example, if it is a person, you might have thought that this person is a very loyal person and this person is going to take care of me for the rest of my life, or whatnot. But actually now you have started to realize that that was not true. That was something which was maybe just a illusion, not true. So for that you will basically because of you might be going through some certain emotional turmoil or ups and downs. So that will also make you a little concerned for your finances, your money, and you will try your best to keep your money safe in this particular week. You will be able to achieve that. Definitely you will be able to keep your money safe. Moving towards the next week, the cards are Ace of Swords reversed, the Death reversed, and Page of Wands reversed. I feel that there was a commitment. It could also be marriage. You saw a partner, and you wanted to get married to a partner, or you were already married to someone, and things are not going well between you. It can. I'm also seeing an ending here that. I won't say there is an ending, but it is a very painful phase that you people are going through. There could be thoughts of ending, but I don't see a proper ending here. Yes, I don't see the proper ending here, but there could be thoughts because everything is so painful that maybe you want to end something in that relationship. Either you want to end the relationship or you want to end that pain, and it is getting very difficult for you, but you're not able to make your decisions yet. You're not able to decide what will be better for you. Moving towards the final week, the cards are Nine of Swords, reverse Ten of Swords, and the Hanged Man. November last week is again going to be very, very painful for you. I feel there is lack of stability. You are feeling stuck in something. you feeling lot of pain. There are a lot of thoughts related to past, related to you feel that things are just giving you a lot of pain. You are not able to sleep properly. It could also be some medical illness, so you have to be a little careful about that also. But trust me, this is the last phase of it. These things, it's just testing you. By after this particular phase, things are going to improve, so nothing worse will happen. Like, this can be the most painful phase. After that, everything is going to be good. So you just have to pass this phase and everything is going to be good for you. um, I know it's a heavy reading, but still, if you have any doubt, you can write it to me. And for the daily readings, you can follow me on Instagram. Description link is given in the description box. And if you want to go for your personalized readings, you can ask for that as well. So good luck. Take care.